Alright, hey guys, I figured I'd leave this video. This is an addition to you guys, so you have. So, my uncle Charlie brought up a good point with a lot of this stuff with things that have happened to me with social media. So, when I was upstate in Roxbury, I started looking. There's this attorney. His name is Stefan Gleitman that Rocco recommended me to speak with. I'm just going to give you the correct spelling of his name. Just give me 1 minute. It just has to load. Glotman. I'm mispronouncing it because I'm not a perfectionist, so I don't want to misspell a word or anything. I don't want to misspell. So I'm going to put it in a thing called Google. Chichetta. Okay, Stefan. Okay, so he was in Lake Grove. I don't think I met him, but Rocco basically explained Chichettaman. Okay, let me see this. Let me just adjust. I made a mistake, guys. I'm not a perfectionist. Because this is the person who I saw. Jametta, okay. So, sorry, I apologize. I'm going to minimize this. Jametta. It's G. Okay. It's Giametta. Jametta was the owner of Stephen C. Jametta and Associates, which serves New York and Connecticut. He brings experience of 16 years to the following practices: immigration collections, elderly law, wills, trusts, Medicare, estates, appeals, criminal, civil litigations, including personal injury. So Mr. Jametta, so what happened was, Rocco had given my uncle a paper. I had spoken to Mr. Jametta's cousin, and that's from the Cohan family. So he handed me a paper. The paper had every bit of information. Right, Charlie? So Charlie and I were together, and I was saying my case has to do with personal injury. So Mr. Jametta, I couldn't get in touch with him, but he told me later, when I got in touch with Mrs. Cohan, Miss Christine Cohan. Hold on, everybody. Let me look at them. You can sit down. Sit down. It's okay. Mr. Jametta said to me, your religion, your faith is included in the case. You can't, see, here's the thing that my Uncle Charlie brought up to me. You can't lie about DNA evidence. When you do a blood test and they say to you, hey, you're a Gaetians, and the Gaetians are related to the Cantasanos, as an example. You have to prove that in court. Well, ladies and gentlemen, one of this Mrs. Cohan's relatives is in surrogate court, and that's Mineola. In family court, some of it's in Mineola, and some of it's in Hicksville. So I had to prove that. So the past video that I made, the reason why I'm upset is because you can't commit a hate crime on a major corporation. The corporation is owned by Gaetian's relatives. So the Gaetian's family designed a corporation. The Grantner family designed a corporation. The Crawley family designed a corporation. The Curfey family designed it. Those are the four names that I've used. Not that I've used, but they're family names that can be used as a corporation or an entity. So Michael Pompeo brought up something to me. If you guys are not letting me testify in a workers' comp case, then there is some serious problems going on. Because I've not sent Office of Inspector General paperwork. So this is the next statement I'm about to say. My uncle's cooking food. Charlie had a serious problem with a crate. A crate was on his property. Down the road is John Burroughs. Now, I'm not going to list the address, but those two buildings, I have to file a police report with this. Hold on. My diplomas is in this bag. It's not here, ladies and gentlemen. This is Century Safe. It's not in this. This was at my apartment. One was at my apartment and the other one was at my parents' house. There's nothing in here. So they took everything out. So my question is, due to the fact I had a private investigation license and I was a safety instructor, what exactly are you guys doing? Because James Warsaw brought a thing like this and said, you're an FBI agent. You're under the insurance of SAG. And this oh my God, I'm going to ridicule this. I'm going to ridicule it. AFTRA. The American Federation of Television and Radio Artists. So what am I? Tom Cruise's relative all of a sudden? You can't be, ladies and gentlemen. You know, Enzo Ferrari and some of these people, I did this DNA test. You see this? This is an Italian key. Sicily, Italy. Zoom in. Sicily. So I'm going to say something in Italian. So, amore, to the United States government. I can talk a full sentence. I don't want to do that. So, it's done. He says it's done. Take care. Have a pleasant and wonderful day.